Today I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a header on just one page in Wix. This is super useful when you want a specific page to stand out from the rest of your site, maybe for a special promotion, a landing page, or just to match a unique design theme. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and on your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the management area for your website where you can adjust all kinds of settings. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure this is the website you want to edit and that you're working on the right project. It's always good to double-check before making changes, especially if you manage multiple sites. Next, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this at the top part of your screen, typically next to a pen icon. Click on it to proceed. This button is your gateway into the actual editor where you can customize the look and feel of your site. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. From here, look for the Pages and Menu button on the left navigation panel and click on it. You'll see a list of all the pages you currently have in your Wix website. Hover your cursor over the page where you want to add a different color header. You'll see a three-dot icon, also known as the More Actions button, appear. Click on it and you'll see additional options pop up. From these options, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, click on the Layout tab. This is where you control how headers and footers appear on individual pages. From here, you'll see two options, Standard and No Header and Footer. Choose the No Header and Footer option. This lets you hide the header and footer for this specific page, which is exactly what we want. By removing the default header, you're free to improvise and create a new one with a completely different color. Once the header is removed from this specific page, we can start building a custom header from scratch. Now, look for the Add Element button on the left navigation panel. From there, look for the strip option and add it to your website page as your new header. This strip will act as the foundation for your custom header. Simply customize it by adding menus, logos, buttons, and any other widgets of your choice to suit your design and style. You can change the background color, adjust the height, and make it look exactly how you want. This gives you full control over the appearance of the header on just that one page, while all your other pages keep their original header design. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of the header on a single page in Wix by hiding the default header and creating a custom one. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.